Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 10. Today you will learn in Pakistan studies. Pakistan is a nuclear power. It is the topic from chapter number 5, History of Pakistan 2. It is on page number 21, 22. Pakistan as a nuclear power. See this picture in this. It is showing that Pakistan has done atomic blast and now it became a nuclear power. Now see a video about the Pakistan nuclear power. Then I will continue the topic.
11 मई को भारतीय एटमी धमाकों ने खित्ते में ताकत का तवाजुन बिगाड़ा तो साथ ही में बैन अल-अक़वामी ताकतों ने दबाव बढ़ा दिया कि पाकिस्तान एटमी हथियारों के दौर में शामिल न हो। ऐसे में 20 मई को पाकिस्तान की सियासी और अस्करी क़यादत सर जोड़ कर बैठती है और वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नवाज शरीफ की सरबराही में चेयरमैन ज्वाइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी और तीनों सर्विसेज चीफ्स मिलकर फैसला करते हैं कि एटमी धमाके कर दिए जाएं। ग्रीन सिग्नल मिलने के बाद डॉक्टर समर मुबारकमंद की सरबराही में 70 इंजीनियर्स और साइंसदानों की टीम 21 मई को बलोचिस्तान के जिला चागी पहुंचती है, जहां पर एटमी धमाकों के लिए 1995 से तैयारी जारी थी। टीम बाकी मादा 15% काम मुकम्मल करती है, जिसमें 4 फुट चौड़ी कंक्रीट की दीवारें बनाना भी शामिल है। धमाके एक डेटोनेटर के जरिए बटन दबाकर किए जाते हैं और 40 सेकंड बाद जमीन पर ताकतवर जलजला आता है और चागी के काले स्याह पहाड़ एक ही पल में सफेद हो जाते हैं। कामयाब एटमी धमाकों के बाद पाकिस्तान शदीद आलमी दबाव का शिकार बना। अमेरिका समेत गरबी मुल्कों ने इक्तिसादी पाबंदियां लगाकर पाकिस्तान को आलमी सतह पर तनहा करने
Okay, now I will tell you about the importance of atomic energy. When Zulfikar Ali Bhutto took over power in 1971, he declared that atomic energy is necessary for our progress and defense. We want atomic energy not for war of destruction, but for our prosperity and development. In 1971, when Zulfikar Ali Bhutto came to power, he declared that atomic energy is important for the progress and defense of our country. We want to develop atomic energy not for destruction, not to destroy the other country, but our aim is to develop atomic energy for the prosperity and development of our country. The first atomic plant of Pakistan was set up in Karachi in 1992, but it was not fulfilling the country's need. In Pakistan, first atomic plant set up in Karachi in 1992, but it cannot fulfill the demands of our country. So, for the development of the growing industries in Pakistan, it was very essential, very important to establish or make more atomic energy plants. Balance of power in South Asia. When India did atomic blast in Rajasthan desert in 1974, it became an atomic power. With this blast, the balance of power in South Asia was disturbed. Therefore, Pakistan had to make its effort to become an atomic power. When India done its atomic blast in 1974 in Rajasthan desert, it became atomic power. With this atomic power, India, the South Asia has disturbed the balance of power. So Pakistan has also showed its power in the nuclear field. It also have to do effort to become an atomic power. Atomic reprocessing plant from France. So to become an atomic power, Pakistan Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto wanted to achieve a plant from France. An agreement was signed between the two countries for the plant in 1976. So Zulfikar Ali Bhutto started effort to become Pakistan an atomic power. For this purpose, he made an agreement with France to achieve a reprocessing plant in 1976. Total cost of this plant was $40 crore. The first installment of 10 crore was paid, but India, Russia, America, and other atomic power did not like the efforts of Pakistan. They pressurized the France that do not give the atomic reprocessing plant to Pakistan. Pakistan made an agreement with France to achieve an atomic reprocessing plant. For this, total cost is $40 crore. 10 crore was paid, but India, Russia, and America did not like this effort of Pakistan. They said to France that do not give the plant to Pakistan. So France refused Pakistan that he will not give the plant to Pakistan. Zulfikar Ziaul government efforts. After Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Ziaul government also continued this program. When the France refused to give the plant to Pakistan, General Ziaul government continued this effort under Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan's supervision. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan announced that Pakistan has obtained the technique of uranium enrichment in 1984. When France refused to give the atomic plant to Pakistan, the government continued its effort under the supervision of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. So, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan announced in 1984 that Pakistan has a technique of uranium enrichment. When Dr. Qadir announced this plan that we have the uranium, the enemies of Pakistan started propaganda against Pakistan nuclear program. They blamed that Pakistan used atomic weapons through American F-16 and French aircraft Mirage, which have access to big cities to India. When Pakistan announced that they have uranium enrichment, so the enemies, especially the India, started blaming Pakistan that Pakistan has already atomic weapon. He is using this weapon through F-16 and French aircraft, and he can use these to big cities of India. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan claimed that Pakistan has gained the capability to build an atomic bomb or device. Again, Dr. Qadir said that Pakistan has the ability to build atomic bomb or device. The Pressler Amendment. India and Pakistan had kept their program secret from each other, but with its atomic blast in 1974, it was exposed to the world that India was an atomic power. Both India and Pakistan were making effort to become an atomic power. It was a secret plan, but when India done its blast in 1974, then it came to the world that India had become an atomic power. So America was silent when India became a power, when India done atomic blast. But when Pakistan started its effort, then America enforced a law in the name of Pressler Amendment and said to Pakistan that stop doing atomic blast. President Bill Clinton, American President Bill Clinton, when the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP came to power in India in 1998, it conducted 5 atomic blasts in Pokhran, Rajasthan on 11 May 1998 to establish its atomic supremacy in the region. When Indian party BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party came to power in 1998, it done 5 blasts in Rajasthan on 11 May 1998 and became an atomic power. The American President Bill Clinton said to Nawaz Sharif that you have not to reply the Indian aggression. If they try to become atomic power, then the economic aid should be stopped and if Pakistan conduct atomic blast in return of India. Mia Nawaz Sharif refused to accept Bill Clinton threat. Nawaz Sharif not listen the voice of President Bill Clinton, and there is the international pressure on the government of Pakistan, but the public fulfilled the demand. Now government also reply the blast of India and conduct 7 blasts in Chagi Hills of Balochistan and reply 5 blasts of India. So Pakistan became atomic power. Pakistan became the 7th world's atomic power, and in the Islamic world it became first atomic power. As the Pakistan done atomic blast, there was a voice of Allah Akbar and the mountains of Chagi sounded with Allah Akbar voices. Pakistani nation was very excited and feel pride that they have become atomic power and the enemies have dashed to the ground. So we celebrate this day when the Pakistan have become atomic power on 28th May, and this day was declared as a Yom Takbir, and this day is celebrated with full honor and enthusiasm every year. So this is the topic of the day. Pakistan became atomic power and came to the came equal to the India, and Pakistani nation was very excited on this day, and this day is 28th May, and this day is celebrated as Yom Takbir. This is your home task that you have to explain nuclear plan of Pakistan. Thank you.